when it comes to teams, it's about psychological safety again. So everybody needs to feel comfortable sharing what they think. When someone is comfortable, someone is giving voice to their this imaginative mind. Even think about it with yourself. If you're comfortable, you don't have this nagging inner critic mind killing all your innovative, wild ideas. You don't listen to it. You just go with it, and you're happy, and you're imagining things, and you're creating things. That's when people are in flow. So when we are working in teams, having this safe environment, feeling that, whatever it is I'm going to say, we're going to work about this. We're going to talk about it. No one's going to put me down. No one's going to laugh at me. No one's going to, make me feel uncomfortable. That gives everyone this excitement to share. And also, I think that a lot of the times we need to challenge our leaders. So if a leader comes up with something, they should even kind of like put it out themselves. So if I'm a leader and I'm coming up with, team, we're going to do this. This is a great idea. I'm really excited about it. But something, before we're going to do this, I want you to break into small teams and tell me everything that you think can go wrong with this big idea that I'm excited about, because maybe I'm not seeing something. So let's do that. Let's break into breakout rooms, which is the amazing thing we have now with Zoom. You can easily have breakout rooms without all this, moving around and then all this mess. And really let people think, okay, critique my idea. Give me some feedback that will push me further. Don't just be a yes man. And this is how you break through innovation. This is how you create things that nobody thought about. When you give people this freedom to think big.
Nice, and I think this is the best way for these leaders to unlearn these old processes.
Yes.
Right?
Unlearning is a big component of learning, 100%. Couldn't agree more.
How can those leaders start to unlearn? This is strange to talk. Start to unlearn.
Yeah, start to unlearn is just, to understand it. A leader is you're supposed, the power of the collective is stronger than the power of the individual. Your team is supposed to lift you, and they also have to understand that as well. I think a lot of team members don't understand that at the end of the day, you do have to make sure that your boss is excited about what you're doing. You're there to make him or her shine. But at the same time, the leader also has to make sure that everyone's excited about what they're doing. So it's a relationship. Everybody needs to be excited and helpful and respectful to each other. So I think unlearning old ways is just understanding that you need to get the buy-in of your team and not just tell them what you're thinking. They need to be just as excited, and you'll be amazed sometimes when you let your team come up with solutions for some of the problems that maybe before you thought, I'm not going to bother them. They wouldn't know. Then they come up with all these things that you never thought of. You'll even get like amazing ideas from people that are not even in the department that you're dealing with, that's related to the problem that you're dealing with, because you just gave them the opportunity to speak up. So that to me is the step one. Because we're all creative. We are all creative. We just need to be given this chance to build that confidence around it.